If you are in the UAE, you must try to visit this place and experience Asian delicacies. This is the only Asian hypermarket and food court in one roof that showcases different varieties of foods, including grocery items exclusively from Asia. WEMART is a Taiwan-based supermarket and they have plenty of Chinese and other Asian products. Located at the heart of Dubai, one at the Banias complex Nasser Square and the other branch is near Dara Clock Tower. The hypermarket provides a ready-to-eat products that include Taiwan milk tea, bread and buns, meals in a box, sushi, salads, fried rice, cakes and pastries, and fresh juice from their organic farms and the like. Customers can also enjoy a variety of Chinese cuisine, baked snacks in the store, as well as a variety of materials for all shoppers to enjoy eating hot pot at the comforts of their own homes. The store doesn't only offer fruits and vegetables at the outset, these groceries are grown organically as well. The fruits and vegetables sold by WEMART are harvested from their own environment-friendly and pollution-free green farms, which means all are fresh coming from farms, all are organic and safe for consumption, all while protecting the safety of our planet. Part of the adventure when you visit this supermarket is adjusting to the environment of reading items in Chinese. Here, let's explore Taiwanese and Chinese products inside WEMART Hypermarket. Thanks for watching.